Welcome to 102 Klondike Drive in Sun City, Georgetown, Texas. This over 55 community has it all, with low taxes and HOA fees while boasting over $100 million in amenities. My name is Pat Owens, and I am with ERA Colonial Real Estate. Welcome to your virtual visit. Situated on a quiet street, centrally located, and just a short walk to the main activity center and fitness center, nearby are other vital services such as restaurants, gas and convenience stores. This Andover model offers 1,850 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a flex room. The home was built in 2004 by Pulte Homes. The exterior of the home has brick and stucco and was painted in 2017, and the roof was replaced in 2012. With its low-maintenance landscaping, you can really enjoy the lock-and-leave lifestyle that Sun City offers. So let's go into the home and take a look. You'll first notice the wide entry that is a hallmark of the Andover plan and has enough space for an entry table and plenty of space for your artwork. You'll also notice 9-foot ceilings, updated lighting, and ceiling fans with crown molding throughout. Tile flooring is found in the entry and also all of the wet rooms. This open concept home allows you to choose a combination living dining room space, or, as my clients did, use the entire space as their living room. The plantation shutters accommodate any type of home decor, whether traditional or modern, and you'll love the natural light that pours into every single room in this home. And again, lots of wall space for your electronics and artwork. The kitchen offers roomy granite countertops, enough cabinets for your dishes and your small appliances, and a spacious pantry on top of that. Wow! Undermount cabinet and recessed lighting, pull-out shelves, and dual sinks are the extras. I love this model especially for the eat-in kitchen with a picture window overlooking the front yard so you can watch the world go by. The flex room has a bank of 4 windows that can be used as a study, a craft room, or whatever you would like for it to be. The back of the home has no home directly behind it, and with an elevated and east-facing patio, you can enjoy a shady late afternoon to barbecue, entertain guests, or just enjoy. As we go into the master bedroom, you'll notice immediately, again, crown molding with a beautifully crafted bay window, accented with plantation shutters, and hardwood floors dress the master bedroom and closet. The his and her closet with the hardwoods is one of the largest for this square footage. As we go into the master bath, you'll see it offers a separate shower and tub, dual sinks with vanities, plenty of storage space, and a separate water closet with an added linen closet. As we make our way back to the second bedroom and bath, you'll really appreciate the privacy that this model offers for your guests. And the second bathroom, and the hallway, I should say, has two closets, and the secondary bath offers a combination shower tub. And again, those two closets for your storage, and the second bedroom, which is large enough to accommodate a king or a queen size bed with a good sized closet. The utility room is off the entry, and as you can see, has a very coveted standalone sink, wire shelving, and room for additional storage. As we go into the extended garage, the thing I want to point out is that the garage door is insulated, and the hot water heater was replaced in 2016, along with the water softener in 2017. There are also new smoke detectors throughout the home. Offered at $287,360, this is one of the lowest price per square feet homes offered in Sun City at $155.33 per square foot. Appliances that convey include the kitchen, refrigerator, washer, dryer, and the home offers a 1-year home warranty protection. Thank you for viewing. I hope this video has been informative. Your safety is my number one concern.